Yeah, this is Steve in Oregon, and this is our Alaska trip to the Kenai River. This is what we got the same day we flew up. I got my limit of 6, Bo got us 4 fish, then we called it a night so we could find the Airbnb. As you can see, we got 10 fish in, I don't know, less than 2 hours. And now we're at the mouth of the Kenai River the next day watching everybody dip net. They were hauling them in left and right. This is right on the north side of the Kenai Inlet. And now we're at the Soldotna Visitor Center looking at the replicas of the big world record king salmon. And here's Brian with a couple of nice sockeye he caught at Centennial Park. There's my 6 fish for day number 2, right there at Centennial Park. Very easy. Everybody was hooking fish left and right. So it was crowded, but it didn't matter where you were at because fish were getting caught absolutely everywhere. There was one day, it was 247,000 fish came up the Kenai. Here's a view from our cabin in Ninilchik, and then looking across the Cook Inlet to one of them's Mount Redoubt and one of them is Mount Iliamna, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but here's us in the middle of filleting fish. Got a picture of that. And here's the Nick Dudiak Lagoon. We came over and took a look at that in Homer. We watched some guys just haul in coho left and right. So we thought we would try it a couple days later, but we didn't get any a couple days later. There's some Persine netters out there netting fish in the Kachemak Bay in Homer, Alaska. Some people fishing right there. Saw a guy catch a halibut there. I should say, saw him put it in the cooler, about a 10-pounder, I don't know. So we thought when we come back to Homer, we're going to give this a shot. So it's just a beautiful place to be, Kachemak Bay, Homer, Alaska. So here we are the next day. I got my 6 fish again. Everybody got their 6 fish. It didn't matter. 6 fish, 6 fish, 6 fish every day for 6 days. So I brought home 36 sockeye salmon. Now we're back at Kachemak Bay trying to catch a halibut. Well, I got a nice Pacific cod and a couple of pollock. You can see pictures right there. 8 or 9 pound cod and a 4 or 5 pound pollocks. Here we are trying the Nick Dudiak fishing lagoon for coho salmon. I had a bobber down, but it didn't stick. But we just didn't get anything. So we went back to the Kenai River and we slaughtered them. Got another 6 fish for all of us in an hour or two. It was crazy. There's Brian with a nice big one. It was probably 10 pounds. And we're back at the cabin taking a look at another beautiful view. And here we are again catching another 6 fish. And as you can see, it's packed. There's my rig for the week, a corky and some pink yarn on a 5/0 hook. There's a little baby eagle right there, looking over from the cabin, over the bluff, looking over at the commercial fishing boats out there. And just a beautiful, beautiful place, beautiful view. And wow, I want to go back. I cannot wait to go back. There's the cabin we got, and there's the rental truck that we got. Small place, but man, it was perfect. Perfect. There's where we cleaned some of the fish. Some of them we did at the river. And there's about 11 o'clock at night, sunset, looking across the Cook Inlet over to the other side over there. And man, what a wonderful place to be in Alaska. And here we are on the way back to the airport. Stopped at Bird Creek, watched everybody slam them there. Those guys up there at the top were just hammering them. And unfortunately, all good things have to come to an end. And here we are leaving Alaska back to Oregon. My next video will be videos of Alaska.